Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy Ultiland token on Binance Alpha. Ultiland or ARTX just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how in this video step by step. So make sure you watch this video until the end. So first you can open your Binance apps and then go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search ARTX for Ultiland. You can search it and go to Alpha tab here and you will find the token. You can click it, and this is the chart. From the chart perspective, this is not really good, but this is not financial advice. You have to do your own research. You can click info here in the top. You can click info in the top. There is 24-hour high, low, and the volume, also the total supply, and also you can check their social media and their website. You can also check their audit here. You can read it, and if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom, and you can choose limit. You can put the price you want to buy and then the amount here. Also there is stop limit if you want, and instant buy if you want to instant buy. You can swap your USDT or other token to Ultiland. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.